I know the Huawei ban may not have been at the front of all of your minds over these past few months, but I assure you I have not forgotten about it. Let's answer some of your most frequently asked questions and go into some of the most recent updates. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to Today in Tech. I'm Julia Beauchamp. It's just like old times again because I'm talking about the Huawei ban. I see all of your questions on older videos, so let's jump right in. Huawei just released its latest phone in its Honor series. That's called the Honor 9A. Just like all recently released Huawei and Honor phones, this phone does not have access to Google mobile services, so no Google Apps or Google Play Store. The Mate 40, which is expected to be announced and launched later this year, will be pretty much the same case. No access to Google mobile services and classic Android as we know it. And I know you guys ask a lot about which phones specifically have access to Android as we know it, classic Android 10. Any phone released before May 2019 has access to classic Android and gets Android updates. The recently refreshed P30 also has classic Android because it's basically a re-release or refresh of an existing phone. The caveat here is that we don't necessarily know if this will always be the case. And of course, these phones only have Android if you're actually able to get your hands on one of them. In the US, it's probably pretty tricky. And now on to some updates. Just last month, the Commerce Department here in the United States further proposed restrictions barring Huawei from working with international tech companies. It's doing this by saying Huawei cannot use American-based intellectual property or American equipment without a license. This is especially going to be a problem when it comes to Huawei's chips. Huawei's chips are physically made by TSMC, which is a Taiwanese company that uses American-made equipment in its manufacturing process. But a week or so ago, the US government actually offered Huawei a very temporary reprieve. US tech companies and Huawei are allowed to collaborate and work together to develop international standards around important and emerging technologies like 5G or artificial intelligence. That's about where the collaboration stops, though. So what do you think? Are these measures too much or not enough? And if you've purchased and are using a Google-less Huawei phone, let me know in the comments how that's going for you, because I'm really curious. If you're looking to learn more about the ongoing Huawei ban and how it progressed, I'll link more of my previous videos in the description below. And thank you all so much for watching this episode of Today in Tech. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell in the corner so you're alerted every time we post a new video. If you have any requests for future episodes, leave them in the comments below. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.